Brennan.
Bob McBride.
With West Plains United Country. Bob and I are super excited to tell you a little bit about our new 830-acre ranch. And this ranch has major live water, as you can tell. It also has a beautiful ranch-style home on it and a shop building and also some very large barns. And when we said live water, we're talking 2 year-round spring-fed creeks along with the spring that we'll show you later.
Has well over 60% in pasture, has a new 5-barb fence around the whole perimeter, has an awesome corral system that's set up with funnels coming in from each pasture. It has 3 hay fields that has been fertilized the past 2 years and produced over 400 bales of hay this past season. This property has a historic spring house with an amazing spring that comes out that runs year-round.
And lots of watercress, and you only find watercress when it's true spring water. And these historic spring houses were what people used to use like as a refrigerator, right?
Exactly.
This house offers self-sufficiency with a whole house Generac generator, an outside hardy wood furnace, the wood furnace not only heats the house but also heats the water. It has a wonderful primary bedroom and bathroom with soaking tub, walk-in shower, and granite countertops. Excellent shop. It's a 30 by 50 shop with a 14-foot lean-to across the back side. Has concrete, electric, water, everything you would need in a shop.
Kim and I are here to show you these working facilities on this farm. It has a funnel system so that one person can operate it. You can bring them in to these multiple pins to work them up to the head chute.
For more information, click the link below.
And for your personal showing, call either Kim or I.